So here you can see all the vulnerabilities are present as is. So this was the exact output that we were expecting. It's been a very long journey with Trivy, and today it marks the conclusion of the series. Today we are going to work on the final automation where you will be scanning multiple images and there will be reports for each one of them. This report you can share it to the audit team and then they can perform the audits, right? So yeah, in this video let us work on an automation that will expect multiple images and input, and there we will create individual HTML file just in one command, right? So let's get started with it. So for this specific demonstration, you have to refer sub repository number 10. Okay, and here all the files are present. Let me take you through the repository. Okay, so here you have the basically documentation of all the things that are currently present. Here you will find the project structure. The main file that we would be referring to, which is the target of today's video, is Trivy image scan.sh file, okay, which will perform the actual scanning. This is written in shell script so that your automation will work smooth. Okay, now second is scan image.txt, the place where you can list multiple Docker images. Not just for the sake of this demonstration purpose, you can literally place any Docker image that you want to scan and get the report for. Third, there is an html.tpl, basically the template that we would be using, right? If you remember in earlier videos, we were using one template, right? And this is the same template that we are using in this specific one. And now we are also considering the case that even if the template does not exist, then the script should handle to download this script template and then execute it accordingly, right? And then the reports will be stored by the name image name.html. So this is something that it is supposed to do. Now here there are few prerequisites. If you want, basically you will need Docker, Trivy, wget, and any of the OS. I will be working on Mac OS. The same can be performed in Linux also, right? So these are all the installation command, and I believe this is not even required in your case because you have been doing Trivy along with me. So like this is already installed in your system. But someone who is directly coming to this video, you can just refer this documentation to install Trivy, right? And here you will find all the scan image stacks and the way to execute this script, right? So let's not go into theory. Let us perform the practical and let me show you what we have handy. So this is the shell script that I was talking about. Okay. Now here, what exactly it is happening? We define the shell script. Okay, Shubham, and here we define the input file, that is scan image.txt. Now if I go to scan image.txt, here there are 9 to 10 images that we will scan in this specific demonstration. And then if I go back, here we are checking the prerequisite. The first thing it is checking is whether do you have Privy installed or wget installed. Once it is installed, then we can proceed forward. And then here we are checking the input file. Okay, so basically it is going to check whether the scan image.txt file is present or not. If not present, it will throw an error. Now next is we are downloading the html.tpl template. Now first again, if it will check whether the template is present or not. If it is not present, then we are going to download it using the command wget, and that is the exact reason why you need the wget in the prerequisite. Okay, then again it goes for the it will go through the iteration where it will scan each and every line as an image and will generate the report for us. And which command we are exactly using here? It is Trivy image, and here we are only scanning the issues that have severity high and critical, and then it will be formatted into a template, that is html.tpl, and those output will be stored in the output file. Okay, and the output file logic is already be defined over here, so it is easier for us to understand how does the output file will look like. And then once everything is done, it will say report generated successfully and all scans are completed successfully. Now let us try the execution for the same. Let me open the terminal. Okay, and now let me just execute the screen. So I am in sub repository number 10, and here I need to execute Trivy image scan.sh. Now it will scan each and everything, and here if I go to the report section, it will generate it. Okay, 1 second. I think it is already present since I was preparing it. So let me just delete entire thing. Okay, so I have removed all the earlier reports that were present, and now let us re-execute the shell script. Okay, now if you just keep an eye over report section, you will find the images, the HTML reports are getting generated automatically without even us doing any manual thing repetitively. So all we should be worrying about is just to update the scan image.txt. You just have to paste all the images that you want to generate a report for, and the automation will generate it for you. automatically. So that's the beauty of this automation. And let me just open any one of the report just to show you how does it looks like. Okay. So if I go to Alpine, okay, if I just go over here, so if I just go over here and I'll just want to view it. So just let me type open followed by the HTML report that we want to open. So it is report slash Alpine. And here you can see there are no vulnerabilities present in Alpine image. Let me open some another image. So let me open another report. So report slash, this time let me open node file. So here you can see all the vulnerabilities are present as is. So this was the exact output that we were expecting, which was giving us only the issues that were of severity high and critical. So yeah, that was all about this automation where we scan multiple images in one go. That was all, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much and keep learning.